Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian D. Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, August 14, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ating series which is Seminary Vision. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about propitiation. Lord, galit ka pa ba? Nang para po sa araw na ito, ang talata po natin ay magagaling sa John chapter 3, verse 36. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. Whoever believes in the Son has eternal life, but whoever rejects the Son will not see life, for God's wrath remains on them. Now po natin mas maunawaan kung anong ibig sabihin ng talata nito. Ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa ating teaching for today. So, ang Diyos po natin, He is completely righteous and He is perfectly loving at the same time. And talagang napakahirap maintindihan kung kaano tayo kamahal ng Diyos, because it means He can ignore sin and that would go against His righteousness. Pero kahit na ganun, He also loves us. He deeply loves the people kahit na tayo kasalanan. So you could say that let's say God had a problem to solve, and how can He declare guilty people innocent without compromising His own justice? So ang sagot po is kung ano po yung meron po tayong tinatawag na propitiation. So meron pong propitiation na tinatawag sa Bible wherein si Jesus po ang nag-take place sa atin. So pinayaran niyo po yung kasalanan natin sa krus ng Kalbaryo. So, si Jesus Christ po ang naka-receive ng punishment na deserve natin, wherein because of that, it satisfies God's justice, while at the same time, pinapakita po sa atin yung deep, yung malalim na pagmamahal sa atin by making a way for us to be forgiven and brought back to Him. So, ganun tayo kamahal ng Diyos. So, ngayon po tayo padadako sa ating application. So, ano nga ba yung dapat natin i-apply sa ating mga buhay? So, kapag you think about sa kung ano yung ginawa ng Diyos sa atin sa pamamagitan ni Kristo, talagang mapapapos tayo, and we will take in the beauty of His grace. So, this isn't something na kaya nating ma-earn ng sarili lang natin. Kasi it is a gift beyond measure. Hindi natin ito kayang gawin with our own. And because of that grace, the only right response, the only thing na we can do is to turn away from sin and mamuhay tayo differently. Not out of fear, hindi po dahil sa takot, but out of love and gratitude. So if Jesus gave His all for us, for you, it just makes sense to give your all to Him. So, magtiwala ka sa Kanya completely, follow mo siya, follow His lead, and let your life reflect the grace you've received. Naway marami po tayong tutunan sa araw na ito.